Anytime you need to make a quick cut and don't want to deal with your power tools, Woodpeckers Jigsaw Blade Handle comes to the rescue. Whether you need to cut the waste off a dowel or tenon, or finish off a small slot, the handle firmly grips any jigsaw blade. And it's light enough to keep right in your apron. Our first orders are ready to ship, so let's head on out to the shop and take a look at how they're made. Your jigsaw blade handle starts as an aircraft-grade aluminum round stock. Then the handles are shaped by a carefully choreographed set of operations in our Swiss precision lathe. After the handle is parted, a second operation gets to work on the tool's butt end. Just a few minutes later, they're ejected from the machine and ready for cleaning. The blade collet and butt cap are similarly turned and knurled from high-quality stainless steel. Once the handles are anodized in our signature Woodpeckers red, it's over to laser engraving. After all the parts are completed, they're mated together in assembly and paired with a top-quality blade and sent directly off to you. All of the jigsaw blade handles are made right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Follow the link in the description below to order yours today.